On one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can enable Active Directory to store BitLocker Recovery Keys. I also mentioned that you may have to use 2 PowerShell commands to force the client to send the data to the server. In this demonstration, we will add those commands to our logon script and automate the process. On my Windows 10 machine, I do not have BitLocker enabled at the moment. So this is the Win 10 Pro X64WS2, that's our device name, and we're gonna enable the BitLocker here. So I'm gonna go ahead and type BitLocker on the start menu, and I'm gonna go through the process of enabling it. Now my Windows 10 device have BitLocker just enabled. Let's go back to our Windows Server 2022, and on the Server Manager, go ahead and open Active Directory Users and Computers from the Tools menu. Navigate to the location where you have your client computers, and in here, the Win 10 Pro X64WS2, if I double click on that, if I go to my BitLocker Recovery section, I see the BitLocker we just created is appearing here. So I have the recovery password for that. So it was created on December 26, 2022. So this is December 26, 2022. And I see the recovery password appearing here. I did not have to run those PowerShell script or commands to get this thing going on my client's end. And the reason for that is I have attached those commands or enter those commands into a logon script. So let's look at my logon script. I'm going to right click here and click edit. And in here, what I did actually, I added these 2 lines, which is the BitLocker logon, BitLocker recovery key commands to this logon script. So this will get the BitLocker recovery key and send it to my Active Directory every single time the user log on to that device. So you don't have to run these 2 commands on your client's end. It will be done automatically as a result of your logon script. If you're interested in how you can attach a logon script using a GPO, I have already posted a video on my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check it out. But this basically proves that you don't have to run these commands on your client machine every single time you create a BitLocker. Instead of that, you can use this in your logon script, and you can go ahead and use that as a method of fixing this particular issue. Keep in mind, typically these type of commands should be run using MDT, which is Microsoft Deployment Tool, which I will cover in the next few videos. But for now, you can simply add this to your logon script, and it doesn't harm to run it every single time somebody log on. But typically we just do it on the MDT because you set up your Windows BitLocker Recovery Keys at the very beginning, and you don't need to be sent to every single time when somebody log in. Notice this script also has a try and catch function. What that basically going to do is it's going to try and do these activities, and if it fails, it will be outputted into an error text file. And I will go over how to do basic PowerShell script as we move along this particular lecture series. If you like these type of lectures and you'd like to learn more about Windows Server administration, please make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or concerns regarding any of the topics that we have covered today, feel free to reach out to me. Again, if you want to know how to create a logon script and attach to a GPO, please check the links in the description for that particular demonstration. Until next time, thank you so much and have a nice day.